Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a little bit of tech talk. Though I'm not a professional in technology, but I have some ideas. I can get around with things when I need something done. So I have been struggling so much on how to connect my phone with my MacBook Pro. I've had so much problems and so I had to put a stop to it. So guys, let's just dive into this tutorial. Simply open your Safari window and type in samsungdex.com. Once you're there, the window will open and you will find yourself in the Samsung DeX website. You will need to click on for Mac OS to download the app on your laptop. And above on the top right, you will see how it's downloading. Once it has downloaded, click on this to open it. And a small box will open in the middle, asking you whether you want to cancel or skip. To verify that it has successfully downloaded, go to Finder, Downloads, and search for the recent file. Check the dates too to verify it's the right one. Now Samsung DeX will pop up with two options: install Samsung DeX or uninstall. Obviously, you click on the install and a small box will appear with installation infos. Just click on continue. And then agree and finally install. So now after installing the application, nobody ever told me I was going to encounter a problem, and I know most of you will encounter this problem. This is the reason why I'm making this video. I want you to go to the top left of your laptop, then click on the Apple icon, go to System Preferences, and a window with a bunch of things on it will open. Search for the security and privacy. On the privacy, you will go to accessibility. You see the DeX box is not ticked, and that's a major problem. Why the desktop is not allowing you to connect your phone. To solve this, click on the yellow padlock below to make changes. It will ask you for password authorization. Once inserted and authorized, the window will be highlighted. Tick the box beside it Samsung DeX. Click Advance and OK. You can now use the Samsung DeX and it brings you to this window. To start Samsung DeX, connect your phone to your computer using USB cable. This application simply expounds the use of Samsung Galaxy S10 experience, and it turns it into a big broad screen view with easy way to transfer files, images, and videos to your MacBook Pro. Basically, this is what Samsung DeX does, and it's an amazing app. Once your phone is connected, a green screen will appear, and that's the default wallpaper of your screen. If you click on this, it will give you the view of all the applications running on your phone. Here you can also see all the apps you previously visited. These icons below are the same ones you will see on your phone. Now I'm going to transfer files and I need to save them in a place on the computer where I can find them easily. I need to go to Gallery, then go to Finder. When the Finder is open, move it to one side and also move the DeX application to one side to make dragging of files easy. Then create a new folder. Name it what you want, something you can remember. I named mine Samsung 10 Plus folder. Then reduce the window. Once it's reduced, go to DeX phone screen to select images. Then press your mark, Shift, Command and drag the files into the folder. Once you've dragged it, all the files that you dragged will be saved on that folder that you named earlier. Once you're done, you can now close the gallery and also close the DeX application. Allow it to disconnect your phone from the computer, and then you're done. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and you learned from it. I hope it was useful for you. Thank you very much and hope to see you next time. Bye.